Hello makers! Today I am here with my new project, which is the disco night lamp. So if you want to see the working of this project, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So the components I've used for my project are a breadboard, some resistors, some jumper cables, the maker board and an programmable RGB LED light. And to enhance the effect of LED, I've used a plastic box. You can see this is the original look and this is the look when we will put the plastic box. So this is my program. You can see I have used the maker board as the controller. When I will press the buttons, the maker board will display the respective colors. So now I will tell you how my program will work. I have used the maker board as the controller. If we will press the buttons, the color of the LED will change. Now I will show you how. Like this. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So that's all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.